Hey, it's Andre. Happy New Year, everyone. In my hands today is the Pro Boat Aerotrooper. It's an airship. It's basically a giant quad with a ducted fan system on the back. It's crazy. It's loud. It's super loud, but so much fun. So I'm out here in the big open field, no one around, and we're gonna drive this thing and have just a little bit of fun. So let's go, strap in. I've always wanted one of these. One of my buddies picked one up and my wife thought it was so cool. I've driven it in the backyard, and the first thing I'll tell you, it's about throttle management. It's counterintuitive to driving a normal car in that you need power to turn. So you pin it basically, and you'll see it when I'm driving. So I'm going to put an action cam on it. I'm going to be using a 3S4000, which should last a little bit. I mean, it's a giant. I mean, look at the size of that motor on the back of it. It's an interesting, impressive, noisy toy. I can't wait to try it on water, but out here, I've got a feeling it's going to be like a little land speed record kind of thing. It's got a little Spektrum 2-channel remote. Nothing crazy, nothing special. But, it'll do the job. And yes, the hands are out, exposed. There's no wind. It's minus 12 with no wind, so it's not that bad. Hopefully all this stuff is showing up. It's got a little bit of a watertight compartment. There's a bunch of accessories that can go on it, a bunch of stickers and everything, but we don't need this to go and have some fun. So I'm going to put the battery in. I'm going to put the tether on because I've got a feeling the camera's going to go flying. I don't know how long the action cam will survive out in the cold, but hey, on-off switches in the back. It apparently will work on 4S. I don't think I will try it, but hey, it will take a pretty big battery compartment, as you can see, but my 4S or 3S 4000s fit just right in there, and then it kind of seals off, which is pretty cool. I'm just playing around, figuring out where my action cam is going to come out. And looks like the bay, it's even got, when you run it in the water, in the back of it, there are some drain spots and so on. So, someone's thought of the design pretty good. Whether or not it'll let me actually run my action cam, yes it will, great. Screw those guys down. It's got lights, it's got spots to put a little action figure, and like I said, there's the power back here, and servo, and then reverse, which is useless, right? We'll see how long this lasts. There you go. It's not backyard neighbor friendly, that's for sure, and it makes a ton of noise, but out here it should, on this hard packed snow ice stuff, it should go like crazy. In fact, I'll probably have to go walking after it if I do anything silly. Put the mitts on, which are fine for this guy. Don't even need my trigger finger out because really it's just on off. The biggest thing I learned the other day when I was in the backyard with it is, like I said, turning it. You have to be on power or it doesn't go, right? It needs all that input thrust to make the turn work. Uh-oh. I got a range issue. Whew. That's interesting. Well, guess I'm going for a walk. That's no good if you're on the water. Unless it turned off. I don't think it did. Walk, 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 walk. Yeah, there we go. So you want to be on the throttle to turn, and then of course it freaking ranges out and you have to walk. Oh, this is so stupid. Maybe the batteries are just cold. But if that happens in the water, you know, you need a boat. You need a boat to go get your boat. Weak sauce. I guess I'll try and keep it close for now, and then I don't know. Maybe the battery is sat around for a little too long in the transmitter. Hello, transmitter. Right. Generic brand AA's from this manufacturer. That is really disappointing. So yeah, as I was trying to say, you need throttle to make this thing steer. So if you're just sitting there and turning the steering as a normal RC enthusiast driver, you're not gonna get where you want to go. There's like this big throttle responsive delay. I'm just trying some different things with the remote. Oh! That's awesome. The camera stayed on. It's definitely better to do a left turn. Come on. See that? It definitely likes the left turns more. And a little bit of throttle on the LEDs sort of work. Whee! So it's like you want to pin it to turn, and the left turns just do way better than the rights. Woo! Come on. This thing is freaking hilarious. Reverse is a bit of a break, I guess. Oh my goodness. The run cam. That's why the tethers are useful in the run cam. Oh, is it still going? It might have, it's still blinking. That's funny. All right, let's try a slightly more fitted spot. I don't think it's gonna see anything back there, so. Oh my, that was impressive. Uh-oh. That might have been my low LVC. That battery might have finally quit. Oh, no, we got a little bit. I don't know. I'm going to change the batteries. Well, that was crazy. I have to say, you got to get used to it, and once you kind of master how to steer and control the Pro Boat Aerotrooper, it's a lot of fun. I'm looking forward to seeing how this thing handles on the water more so, but it definitely works out here. I'll probably switch those batteries out. That's why I suspect I'm having a range issue, because the antenna's right there. There's no way I should be having that kind of limited range, so I bet it's those batteries have set, or they're just cold because, well, it's cold out. But I'm Andre, and this is the Pro Boats Aerotrooper, my next little fun airboat for the next little while, I think so. Hope you enjoyed the video. More to come with this thing for sure.